First step to learn English. Hello everyone, and welcome. If you are starting your journey to learning English, you might be wondering, where do I begin? Learning English can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you don't know where to start or how to structure your learning. But don't worry. Every great journey begins with a single step. The first step to learning English is building a strong foundation. This means understanding the basics, creating a learning plan, and developing habits that will help you succeed. In this guide, I'll take you through essential first steps to help you start learning English effectively and confidently. 1. Develop the right mindset. Before diving into vocabulary and grammar, the first step to learning English is believing in yourself. Many learners hesitate because they fear making mistakes, but mistakes are a natural part of learning. Think about how babies learn their first language. They don't worry about grammar rules at first. They just listen, observe, and try to speak. Adopting the mindset of a child can make a huge difference. Be curious, experiment with words, and enjoy the process. Instead of saying, "I can't learn English," say, "I am learning English every day." 2. Learn the most common words and phrases. Before you try to master complex grammar, focus on learning the most commonly used words and phrases. Studies show that the 1,000 most frequently used words in English make up about 80% of everyday conversations. If you start with these words, you will be able to communicate basic ideas quickly. Here are a few practical ways to learn them. Start with greetings and polite expressions such as hello, good morning, how are you, and thank you. Learn basic action verbs like eat, sleep, go, come, talk, and listen. Focus on common question words like who, what, where, when, why, and how. Practice simple sentence structures like I am your name, I like your favorite food, or I want something. Use flashcards or language apps to memorize these words. 3. Focus on listening first. If you don't understand spoken English, speaking will be difficult. Just like a baby learns a language by listening first, your first step in learning English should be training your ears. You don't have to understand everything at first, but listening regularly will help you recognize common words, sentence patterns, and pronunciation. Some good ways to start. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Start with slow songs. Watch children's cartoons because they use simple words and slow speech. Use beginner-friendly podcasts like ESL Pod or BBC Learning English. Watch English movies with subtitles and slowly transition to watching without subtitles. Repeat what you hear. Try to mimic native speakers. 4. Start speaking from day one. Many learners wait until they feel ready to speak English, but the truth is, you need to start speaking as soon as possible. It's okay if you make mistakes. What matters is that you train your brain to think in English. Here's how you can start speaking even if you're alone. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I am brushing my teeth. Now I am making coffee. Read aloud. Pick a simple passage and read it out loud to improve your pronunciation. Practice common conversations. Say basic sentences like, I would like some coffee, or can you help me? Use voice recording apps. Record yourself speaking and listen to it to track your progress. Find a language partner. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to connect with other learners. 5. Understand basic grammar, but don't stress too much. Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from communicating. You don't need to memorize every grammar rule immediately. Instead, start with basic sentence structures. Subject plus verb plus object, e.g., I like apples. Use of am, is, are, e.g., she is a teacher. Simple past tense, e.g., yesterday I went to the market. Future tense, e.g., I will call you tomorrow. You can learn grammar naturally by reading simple English texts, listening to conversations, and practicing speaking. Over time, you will start to understand grammar rules without memorizing them. 6. Use English in your daily life. The fastest way to learn a language is immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create an English-rich environment. Change your phone and social media settings to English. Label objects in your house with their English names. Write your daily to-do list in English. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. Keep an English diary. Write about your day in simple sentences. The more you use English in your daily life, the faster you will learn. 7. Learn through fun activities. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun by using activities you enjoy.
Play English games like Scrabble, word search puzzles, or mobile language learning games. Follow English-speaking YouTubers who talk about topics you like. Join online forums and comment in English about your favorite hobbies. Cook using English recipes and read the instructions in English. Let me tell you the story of Amir, a 22-year-old from Egypt. Wanted to learn English, but didn't have access to formal classes. At first, he was afraid to speak because he thought people would laugh at his mistakes. However, instead of giving up, he decided to create his own learning method. He started by watching cartoons and repeating what the characters said. Every day, he wrote down 5 new words and used them in sentences. Since he didn't have anyone to practice with, he spoke to himself in front of a mirror and recorded his voice to hear his pronunciation. He joined online forums and asked questions in English. After 6 months of consistent practice, Amir could hold conversations with native speakers confidently. Today, he works as a freelance translator and helps other learners improve their English. His story proves that anyone can learn English if they take the first step and stay dedicated. Take action today. The first step to learning English is starting with confidence, setting clear goals, and practicing daily. Remember, learning a language is not about perfection. It's about progress. Even if you start small, every effort counts. Focus on learning basic vocabulary, improving your listening skills, practicing speaking daily, and surrounding yourself with English. Use fun activities to stay motivated and believe in yourself. English is a journey, and every journey begins with the first step. So take that first step today. Start speaking, start listening, start practicing. The more effort you put in, the faster you will improve. Don't wait, your English journey starts now.